Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the Adi Mudra for snoring. In Adi Mudra, place the thumb at the base of the little finger and wrap the thumb with the remaining fingers, forming a handful. The palms are placed facing upwards on the knees and focus on your breath. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Meditation postures like Sukhasana, Padmasana, Vajrasana are the ideal for the practice of the mudra. Practice this mudra for 30 minutes at a stretch every day or for 15 minutes 3 times a day. Now talk about benefits. Adi Mudra relaxes and calms the nervous system. The mudra also helps to reduce snoring. The mudra beneficially improves the flow of the oxygen to the head, which is related to the crown chakra. Mudra improves the mental health. Mudra increases the oxygen flow all over the body. The mudra beneficial for increases the breathing and the capacity of the lungs. Now talk about the special note. Do not apply pressure on the fingers. The pressure indicates restlessness of the mind and not stable. Do this mudra freely. Avoid this mudra if you are suffering from hypertension, not to do without guidance. If you like the information, please like the video.